Monday morning.
Viewers, we have some breaking news coming in. Airbus grounds 6,000 planes across the world, and Airbus has grounded the half of the global A320 fleet. These A320 fleets are being grounded for emergency software fix. In fact, intense solar radiations corrupting the critical flight control system is what you're given to understand. There's an unprecedented recall by Airbus to ensure software is fixed. The massive disruption is expected to peak travel season. Over 1,000 older jets require hardware replacements. Airbus has now grounded 6,000 planes across the world. The best-selling jet Airbus A320 is facing software issues. Harsha, my colleague, joins us to give us details. Harsha, over to you.
Yes, Priyanka rightly pointed out, more than 6,000 Airbus planes across the world are heavily impacted with the software snag which is caused in the Airbus. For all our viewers to know that there are almost 50 varieties, 50 sub-varieties of Airbus, which is now used by several airlines across the world. Not only Indigo, Air India, SpiceJet, Akasa or AirAsia in our country uses Airbus, but there are so many European countries as well and the US country as well which uses the Airbus fleet. And that is the reason why on Friday, the night of Friday, it was issued by Airbus that there's a major ELAC flight control system which is impacted in the fleet of Airbus, and it has to be immediately fixed because this system, Priyanka, is responsible for the flight controls, and so that the flight control doesn't go to automatic and doesn't lose the control mid-air, immediately the software has to be fixed. And that is the reason why today so many delays, cancellation and diversions are happening in several airlines across the world. And in our country, if we say since morning, more than 300 flights are majorly impacted. There has been heavy cancellations because airlines has been advised by the Airbus to immediately fix this software snag. And to modification in the ELAC has to be done. The regulatory body in our country, DGCA, has also issued the notice to all the airlines that they have to modify ELAC, which is the inbuilt flight control system, immediately so that passengers don't suffer and don't go through massive inconvenience as they're already going through since morning. We've spoken to Air India Express, we have spoken to Indigo. Now Indigo stated that less than 60%, like almost 60% of the Indigo fleet have already complied by the Airbus new ELAC format because they are right now not using the older format of the Airbus. They have all the new Airbus in their fleet, and that is the reason no cancellations in Indigo has happened since morning. And when we spoke to Air India Express, they told us that 1/3 of the Air India Express fleet is impacted by the software technical snag and what they are trying to fix, and therefore major Airbus fleet is right now grounded. But yes, airlines should not take any risk, and that is the reason why each and every aircraft of Airbus, be it A320, A319, A341, there are almost 50 different fleets of Airbus. Each and every fleet is being checked massively by each and every airline so that this software snag could be fixed, because this is some emergency snag which has occurred and impacted all the airlines. If not fixed right now, Priyanka, it could cause massive issue mid-air. And it also come to notice by Air India when there was one of the European airline which was using Airbus, the nose fell. The nose automatically fell and there was no monitoring and no control over the ATC. And that was immediately when it was known, when the technical teams came on point, they got to know that exactly the issue is with the ELAC. And that is the reason the modification is needed. After that, the order was issued to all the airlines across the world that immediately the new ELAC system has to be modified and fixed in this software system. That is the reason today why the checks are continuously happening. The MOCA, DGCA, and the other regulatory bodies are already in touch with the Airbus India headquarters, and also each and every airline is complying by the rules and regulation what Airbus have already stated. But yes, today if we say today, passengers will go through massive inconvenience. They're already going through it because several flights have already been cancelled. But we are expecting that this software fixing will take place. will be fixed by today evening, and from tomorrow onwards there could be the smooth travel, travel across the world. So today it's a massive inconvenience in all the Airbus fleet. It's not only one, two, but all the Airbus fleet. And Riyanka, for all of viewers to also understand, the Airbus is the computerized, inbuilt technical system in all the airlines. Airbus is one which is not manually, which is not like Boeing, which needs a lot of skill or engineering in its system. It's majorly controlled through computerized system. The ATC and the pilot in command, they are directly linked to the ELAC system. Everything happens through software. So in this Airbus, if software malfunction happens, then it's a huge problem. It's a huge trouble for not only for passengers, but for the pilot also, who will not be able to control anything if the problem occurs in the system of the aircraft. That is the reason why the software system to be changed, to be modified is very important. Back to you.
That's right, Harsha. Appreciate you giving those details. But for the fact that most of these, most of these models, whether it's A320 or the others, these are one of the best selling. When it comes to Airbus, it is best world-selling passenger jet, and the ripple effect is being felt across. For how long are we expecting things to get back to normal?
See, Riyanka, major airlines, like if we talk about Air India Express, if we talk about Air Asia, if we talk about SpiceJet, they might be using the older aircraft of Airbus, but the order which was placed with Airbus by Indian Airlines, like Indigo and Air India, they are not using many of the older jets. These all problems are occurring majorly in the older jets of Airbus. The first lot of Airbus, the second lot of Airbus, which Airbus delivered to all these airlines, majorly the problem is occurring in the European and the US nation, where the Airbus older systems are being used. In our country, less than one third of the fleet our airlines are using of the Airbus. Yes, that one third fleet is also of the 30 to 40 flight. We can't deny that. We can't ignore that. Air India, right now, if we talk about the Airbus issue in Air India, almost 50 to 60 Airbus jets have suffered in Air India. They are using the older format of Airbus. They are using only 20 to 30 new Airbus model. Likewise, if we talk about Indigo, they are using approximately, they have 15 to 17 older Airbus jet. Majorly 60% of Indigo fleet is already using new Airbus fleet, which order they placed 2 years ago. They got the delivery last year also they got the delivery of the new Airbus system. So yes, there's an issue, there's an occurrence of this problem, and therefore almost 40 flights of Air India, almost 15 flights of Air Indigo, almost Air Asia, 20 aircraft of Air Asia. SpiceJet, if we talk about entire SpiceJet in the span of 3 years have not placed any new order of the Airbus fleet, and that is the reason why SpiceJet, Air Asia, Akasa, they are majorly facing this problem. But in Indigo and Air India, they are the bigger airlines. They have the new Airbus, yes, but older ones as well. And therefore, since morning, almost 200 cancellations happened. 200 flights were grounded for the Airbus fleet check, and this is a system which Airbus really need to monitor in their fleet, because this is an occurrence problem. If it enhances, if it goes to next level, then there could be a mid-air scare, and it could be very troubling for the passenger, because the system controls entire flight, controls each and every, be it autopilot, be it the landing, be it the navigation, be it the GPS, everything.
Right, Harsha, thank you for giving us the details. Let me also go across to Captain Kabir Malik, is an aviation expert. We'll also try and understand from him what does this mean. Mr. Malik, how do we... Okay, I've been told that we have lost that connection with Captain Kabir Malik. If Harsha is still with us, Harsha, as you were giving us all the details in terms of the upgrade of the emergency software fix, there are intense solar radiations that are corrupting the critical flight control, which is why these upgrades are needed. And, what are the measures being taken by the airlines for smooth mobility of the people? How are they, putting it all together?
So, Priyanka, majorly there are certain protocols which airlines have to follow. Since yesterday night, when the notification from the Airbus came, major of the airlines they already started rectifying it. They already started modifying the ELAC system, the new software fix. But even Priyanka, this new software fix is not an easy thing to modify. It requires a lot of time for this fixation. First of all, the checks have to happen in the jet, whether exactly what kind of flight controls this is hampering. After that check, each and every flight is monitoring that how this new modification will happen. The software fixation, each and every guideline is directly given by Airbus. So it's not an easy task. It might take a lot of time. And that is the reason the airlines have grounded their aircraft. They are not right now. These Airbus, since the notification came out, all the Airbus have been grounded. The companies, the airlines are taking maximum precaution, maximum precaution. It is something which directly controls flight control, as I was also telling you. In Boeing, there are several options. Like if one function doesn't work, there is type B, type C, type D. But if we talk about Airbus, it is completely computerized. It is completely dependent on the software. So if there's an issue, if there's a snag in a software system of the aircraft, the software has to be changed. And this Airbus software system is a very technical system. It needs modification, it needs upgradation, it needs fixing of all the flight control system. So they have to fix all these issues, and after that, the jets will be ready to go. So today, entire day, the passengers are going to face inconvenience. They are going to face the cancellation issue, and we have been told that the airlines are also refunding the entire amount of the cancellation since this problem has occurred since morning. But right now, all major airlines have grounded their flight, have grounded the Airbus fleet for the proper checks. They're not taking any risk, not only the older fleet of Airbus, but the new fleet of Airbus as well. They're continuously monitoring, checking, the ground checks is happening. After the proper fixation and updation and modification of the ELAC system in the software, the airlines will fly the Airbus. Back to you.
Right, Harsha, thank you for giving us those details, very crucial details coming in from my colleague Harsha, who has explained the entire situation. On this, we continue to bring you updates on that story, viewers, as